Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to fix Steam missing file privileges error on PC. So Steam is a popular platform for PC gamers, but sometimes you'll encounter errors that prevent you from playing your favorite games. So one of these errors is the missing file privileges error, which usually appears when you try to install or update a game on Steam. So this error means that Steam cannot access or modify the file or folders related to the game, and it can be caused by various reasons, such as a damaged game downloads folder, conflicts in your Steam's download cache, or even issues with your Steam download region and server. So first is you have to make sure that Steam is not running on your PC. So first is you have to close your Steam. So merely clicking on the X button to close Steam is not enough. So Steam continues to run in the background. To properly close the Steam, open up your system tray and right click the Steam icon before exiting the app and closing all its process. So when this is done, search for Steam in your start menu and proceed to run as an administrator. And after that, right here on Steam, you just have to click on the Steam option at the top left corner of your screen and then click on settings. Now here you just have to go to the storage and then select the driver problematic game is located and then click on the three dots icon and next to the total storage information bar to open a drop-down menu. Here you just have to select the repair library. So Steam will attempt to amend any corrupted files causing the missing files privileges error on your PC. And in case the error will continue, navigate to your download section and change your download region server, as well as you have to clear the download cache stored on your PC so you're not deleting important game files. Cache files or performance files designed to optimize the game loading process. However, there are times these files can get corrupted and cause issues when loading into the game, such as missing files, privileges, error. So if the problem is still there, then it could be the game associated with the error is corrupted. So in your game library, you just have to right-click the title you're trying to open to access its properties. Then a new window will pop up, and here under installed files, proceed to verify the integrity of the files. Now, when Steam is done verifying and potentially repairing any file integrity issues related to the game, the Steam file missing privileges error will be fixed. So, those are the ways in order for you to fix your issue. So, that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.